In our previous video, we discussed about the advantages of cryptocurrency. Now let us see what are the disadvantages of cryptocurrency. So the first disadvantage is that it can be used for a lot of illegal activities. Cryptocurrency can be used as a mode of exchanging money in a lot of illegal dealings or for the activities on the dark web. As the privacy and security of cryptocurrency transactions are high, and it's hard for the government to monitor any user by their wallet address or by keeping tabs on their data. The second disadvantage of cryptocurrency is that it is decentralized, but still it is operated by some organization. The flow and the amount of some currencies in the market are still controlled by the creators and some institutional investors. These holders can manipulate the coin for large swings in its price. The next disadvantage is that it is bad for the environment. Mining cryptocurrencies require a lot of electricity and computational powers, making it highly energy intensive. For example, the Bitcoin requires supercomputers and a lot of energy, which has an adverse effect on the environment. Now the next disadvantage is that cryptocurrencies are susceptible to hacks. Although cryptocurrencies are very secure, exchanges are not that secure. Most exchanges store the wallet data of the users to operate their user ID properly. This data can be stolen by hackers, giving them access to a lot of accounts. Most of the exchanges are highly secure nowadays, but there is always a potential for another hack. Next disadvantage is that there is no refund or cancellation policy. For example, A sends some cryptocurrency to B, but A wanted to send the cryptocurrencies to C. Now these cryptocurrencies cannot be retrieved by the sender.